Hello, it's Bonnie from Everything Country CA. This is Everything Country CA cabin version. I'm out at our family cabin on Vancouver Island, and we're always working on projects out here, and we're out for the weekend. So just follow along and hope you enjoy this video. Thank you. So here's our old outhouse. And it was from the original build in the 1970s when the cabin was originally built. And it was pretty bad. It really needed to be replaced. We'd put it off for a few years, so it felt like it was going to fall over when you were sitting down, which wasn't great. So anyway, that was the high priority project for the year. And we noticed that a Canada goose had decided to build her nest on top of our treehouse. So that was kind of crazy. And that will be another project to repair the roof. I think there was a hole in the roof and her little babies could have fallen in. Anyway, so quick little tour, and I'll just show you the property quickly, and then we'll get on to the outhouse build. Just walking down to the water. My late husband and I bought this cabin in 2001, and it's been in the family. We just love it, and haven't regretted a day of owning it, even though there's always costs involved. As you can imagine, laying those bricks on the side there was quite tricky. We had to figure out where we were going to end up and make sure it was big enough for the outhouse kit that we bought, but also that it was level. So fortunately, my boyfriend's good at building things and was able to figure that out for us, and it's looking pretty good. We're building a new outhouse at the cabin. I'll show you the outhouse foundation in a second here. I'll just turn it around. And there we go. Oh, there he's coming down the hill. Here he comes with a load of wood from Estonia. It's a package called Betty, and it's for the outhouse. And the foundation's there. So awesome to have somebody that will be willing to help you like this. This is my new boyfriend.
Somewhere around there?
Yeah. Yeah. I'll just include the link for the website to Pacific Rim Log Structures. We realized that we needed to fill in the sides of the foundation just to make sure there's no rodents getting in there. And so that involved cutting some bricks, but that worked out quite well. And then getting the foundation layer the right size, making sure it could support the Betty structure. Once we had the main part of the foundation built, then we could build a subfloor and then start the build of the walls with the kit. And the pieces were in pretty good order. We just had to lay them out and start assembling them. A lot of hard work to pound them in, but it worked out quite well. And here you can see the walls are complete. at the end of day 2. And then day 3, we had to install the roof boards and install plywood on top of the roof boards to keep everything really sturdy, as well as to attach the shingles to. We didn't want to attach them directly to the roof boards for the Betty and have the nails go through. So that worked out as well pretty good. It was all kind of a figure it out as you go. The structure was completely built. We just needed to do the roof and start building the seat for the outhouse. That was probably the trickiest part, trying to get the seat to be aligned perfectly, as well as to make sure it was thick enough to support weight. And we lined the hole going down into the hole with on both or all the sides actually with this metal sheeting. And then we also put plywood around the left side where the cubby hole is. And then we installed the toilet seat after cutting the hole, and it was basically functional, so that was fantastic. And we also put in a pedestal sink on the left side, which drains into the hole. Day 5, we started doing the shingling, and I was fortunate I had some extra shingles from our house in town, and then we also put the rhino tar paper down first, so that worked out good. And then getting the shingling done didn't take too long. Mike's done a lot of that, so that was great. And then the shingling was complete. We just built a new outhouse. The original outhouse was there since 1970. So this is a Betty outhouse built. We bought it from Pacific Rim Log Structures, the kit, and we had to build the foundation. And the roof is almost or is done. We still have to do some of the work on the inside, but we had to build the new seat for the outhouse, and we put up some new towel racks, and we installed a little sink. So it's just putting water in the bowl and using that for washing up, and it's so nice to have a sink there. It just feeds into the hole. And we're in the midst of adding the beadboard, and we're going to stain the top of the seat, and then put a little cubby on the left side so we could store some things in there. And eventually we'll probably stain the walls, but it all takes time. I put a little curtain here so that there's some privacy, and it's so cute, so I'm really happy with it. And that's the outhouse, and that's been like a 4-week project to get everything to this point, coming out on weekends to work on the structure, first the foundation, then the structure, then the roof, and just been so happy to get that done.